Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome again to the Moldex 3D webinar series. Today's topic, lightweighting to material displacement strategies. This is a follow-up to the lightweighting 1 uh, webinar topic that we had a couple weeks ago. Material displacement strategies. We are talking about gas assist and water assist injection molding processes. So today I'll be covering gas assist injection molding in depth, and we'll be touching bases on the water assist injection molding as well. We'll review the introduction concepts of gas assist, and then Moldex 3D gas assist injection molding module features and benefits, result interpretation, conclusion, and then maybe a customer success story for gas assist, and then we'll review the same for water assist. So why gas assist injection molding? As you can see the process here, initially the plastic is injected into the mold, and after some time, once the cavity is filled a certain amount of volume, the gas is injected. The gas does help in filling up the part and packing and holding it, and then the gas is released. It helps in eliminating sink marks, prevents warpage problems, and we'll look at a few more advantages on the next slide here. But the main thing is that it helps in reducing the part weight, making lightweight products. Significant amount of weight savings, shorter cooling times, lower injection molding, injection and packing pressure, clamp tonnage, less residual stress, free of sink marks, less warpage, increased dimensional stability, and reduced manufacturing cost are some of the benefits and advantages of gas assist injection molding. What can Moldex 3D simulate in the GAIM or gas assist injection molding module? In the Moldex 3D gas assist module, we can simulate the complete 3D penetration behavior of the gas in the cavity